So recently I had an issue with with my vacuum cleaner, the famous error 13. The vacuum cleaner was not able to recharge. It worked a few times, but mostly it wasn't working. I tried to replace the fuse on the motherboard, but it didn't help. It was still telling me that there is error 13. I was able to hear a whistling noise from this charging base, so I tried to charge the vacuum cleaner and measure the output voltage in here. While it was charging, it was showing around 20 volts, but like 1 second before it showed error 13, it dropped to 17 volts. So I decided to open the charging base. There are 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you can easily open the base. When I opened the base, I noticed that this screw on a positive lead was very loose. It was so loose that I could twist it with my fingers. Don't try to do this, it's not very safe, but I did it. I tightened this screw, and after that I reassembled this charger and the vacuum cleaner started to recharge.